The universe whispers. In the stillness of night, when everything seems to stand still, you can hear the whispers of the universe. These whispers are not sounds we can hear with our ears, but vibrations, subtle signals that only the soul can perceive. It speaks in a language older than time, a language that has existed since the universe began. Ancient symbols and signs carved in stone, astronomical images from long ago, are all part of this language, a language etched in starlight and woven into the fabric of existence. The constellations, the shapes the stars make in the night sky, are all words in this language. They tell stories of creation, of life, and of the mysteries of the universe. This language, this secret code, is the Tree of Life. The Tree of Life is not just a symbol, but a living entity, a part of the universe. It is a tree of light, a tree of energy, a tree of existence. It's not a tree of wood and leaves, but a tapestry of energy, a map of the universe itself. The energy patterns in space, the trails of light forming the shape of a tree, are all part of the Tree of Life. Imagine a tree stretching across galaxies, a tree whose roots dig deep into the void, drawing on the primal energy of creation, a tree whose branches, heavy with stars, reach out to the edges of the unknown. Its roots dig deep into the void, drawing on the primal energy of creation. These roots are not just lines of energy, but channels connecting galaxies, connecting worlds. Its branches, heavy with stars, reach out to the edges of the unknown. These branches are not just stars, but shining points of life, of existence. This, my friends, is the true Tree of Life, a tree of light, of energy, of existence, a tree we can only imagine in our dreams. It's a concept that has haunted humanity's dreams since our first ancestors looked up at the night sky. From the earliest days of humankind, when we lived in caves and looked up at the night sky, we dreamed of the Tree of Life. Across cultures and continents, the Tree of Life appears, a symbol of the interconnectedness of all things, a testament to the hidden order of the universe. From the wall paintings of ancient Egyptians to the myths of the Greeks, the Tree of Life has always been present. But what is its true nature? The Tree of Life is not just a symbol, but a living entity, a part of the universe. It is a tree of light, a tree of energy, a tree of existence. What secrets does it hold? These secrets are not just knowledge about the universe, but knowledge about ourselves, about life, and about existence. The Tree of Life is a treasure trove of secrets, a treasure trove we are only beginning to explore. To understand the Tree of Life, we must journey to the very center of existence. We must venture into the void, the mysterious space where energy condenses into matter, where possibility dances on the brink of reality. Here, in the swirling chaos of quantum foam, we find the roots of the tree. They draw upon the infinite potential of the void, transforming this raw energy upwards, nourishing the growth of the cosmic tree. Each root represents a fundamental force, a law of nature that governs the universe. Gravity, electromagnetism, the strong and weak nuclear forces, all intertwined, their fates forever linked within the heart of the tree. But there is something more, a mysterious energy that defies classification. It is the lifeblood of the tree, the spark of consciousness that animates the cosmos. The Tree of Life is not merely a scientific concept, it's a profound symbol, an image deeply embedded in the human psyche since ancient times. From the dense forests of Europe to the arid deserts of the Middle East, the image of the Tree of Life appears in diverse cultures, each with a unique yet strangely similar story to tell. It's a story as old as humanity itself. Ancient ruins, mysterious caves, and historical sites all bear traces of the Tree of Life, a reminder of its presence throughout the ages. Ancient cultures whispered of its existence, encoding its secrets in myths and legends. Ancient storytellers, ancient scrolls with mythical drawings, and tribal elders telling stories in nature are all guardians of these secrets. The Norse spoke of Yggdrasil, the world tree connecting 9 realms. In the misty forests of Scandinavia, Yggdrasil stands tall as a symbol of the interconnectedness of worlds, a bridge between heaven and hell. Its roots reach down into hell, where damned souls and the darkest secrets of the universe are hidden. Its branches held up the heavens, where the gods resided and eternal light shone. And the trunk provided a bridge between the realms, a path for both gods and mortals. Mysterious pathways through dense forests, leading truth-seekers to hidden secrets. In the Garden of Eden, the Tree of Life stood as a symbol of immortality, its fruit granting eternal life. Lush gardens with vibrant trees where the tree of life stands tall are symbols of life and rebirth. It was a reminder of humanity's connection to the divine, a link tragically severed. Broken branches and the marks of time on the tree trunk are testaments to loss and separation. These stories, though separated by time and culture, share a common thread. Ancient cultural artifacts, diverse symbols carved into trees, and ancient ruins from different cultures all tell the same story of the tree of life. They speak of a universal truth, a hidden order that binds us all. Ancient forests with interconnected trees, mystical light shining through the leaves, and a celestial atmosphere are testaments to the existence of a cosmic order we are only beginning to understand. Part 4. A map written in light. The tree of life is not just a symbol, it's a map. A map not only of the physical world but also of the spiritual. It's an ancient symbol appearing in many different cultures and religions, from the Kabbalah of the Jewish people to the Yggdrasil of the Norse. Its branches, like glowing pathways, chart the flow of cosmic energy throughout the universe. These pathways are not just physical paths, but spiritual ones, connecting everything in the universe together. Every star, every planet, every atom is a node on this intricate network, connected by invisible threads of energy. These energy threads are not just physical, but spiritual, connecting everything in the universe. This energy, this life force, flows through the tree, animating all things. It is the source of life, of existence, of everything. It's the source of everything, from distant stars to tiny atoms. Astrology, with its ancient wisdom, offers us a glimpse into this cosmic dance. Ancient people used astrology to understand the universe, the tree of life, and themselves. The movement of the planets, the alignment of the stars, all affect the flow of energy through the tree, shaping our destinies in subtle yet profound ways. These events are not just physical, but spiritual, impacting everything in the universe. By understanding the language of the tree, we can begin to decode the messages encoded within the cosmos, unlocking the secrets of our own existence. We can begin to understand ourselves, the universe, and everything. We can begin to understand the tree of life, this map written in light. Part 5. The language of the cosmos. The language of the tree is not a language of words, but of vibration, frequency, and resonance. It is the language of light and sound, of energy and matter, of thought and emotion. Every cell in our bodies, every atom in the universe, vibrates to this cosmic symphony. To tap into the tree of life is to attune to this frequency, to harmonize with the rhythm of the universe. Meditation, prayer, and other spiritual practices can help us quiet our minds and open our hearts to this subtle energy. By connecting ourselves to the tree, we can access its wisdom, its healing power, and its boundless potential. Part 6. Awakening the inner tree. We are all connected to the tree of life, not just through the outer universe, but within ourselves. Deep within each of us lies a seed, a divine spark, waiting to be awakened. This inner tree is a reflection of the cosmic tree, a microcosm of the macrocosm. Its roots reach deep into the depths of our subconscious, its branches reaching towards the light of our higher selves. By nurturing our inner tree, we nurture the cosmic tree. By cultivating compassion, wisdom, and love, we strengthen the flow of positive energy throughout the universe. Part 7. The Unending Quest. The Tree of Life is not a destination, but a journey. It is a quest for knowledge, wisdom, and understanding. It is a journey that begins within and expands outwards, encompassing the vastness of the cosmos. As we explore the mysteries of the tree, we begin to see the interconnectedness of all things. We realize that we are not separate from the universe, but an integral part of its grand design. The Tree of Life is a mystery that has captivated humanity for millennia. It is a symbol of hope, of connection, and the infinite potential that lies within us all. May its branches guide us, its roots ground us, and its wisdom illuminate our path.